Today we are teaching on normal pregnancy. What is a pregnancy? And what is normal pregnancy? We shall be looking at the definition of a normal pregnancy. We shall look at the duration of a normal pregnancy. How long should a normal pregnancy last for a woman to give birth to a mature newborn baby? Then we shall look at certain calculations of, the duration of a pregnancy, that is, being able to determine the estimated date of delivery, that's what we call EDD, and we shall be learning the Neger's theory. We shall be able to apply the Neger's theory, or what we call obstetric law. We will use it to be able to determine age of gestation. How do you determine the age of a woman's pregnancy? For example, a woman enters your office as a health personnel or somebody interested in taking care of a pregnant woman. A woman comes in front of you pregnant. How can you determine the age of her pregnancy as of that time, that day that the pregnant woman is in front of you? We refer to that one as age of gestation, the age of pregnancy. We expect to learn that within this video. My name is Dr. David Ayim. I'm a reproductive health expert and I hold a PhD in public health. Let us come back to this on our board. Definition. A normal pregnancy is a state at which a woman is carrying a baby, a fetus, in her womb. If at any moment a baby is in the womb of a woman, that state of that woman is referred to as pregnancy. Pregnancy is also defined as a period from conception up to delivery, meaning from the time a woman conceives to the day she gives birth, that period is known as pregnancy. Now, pregnancy has a duration, which in weeks, let me start with days. In days, pregnancy duration is 280 days. Okay? In weeks, pregnancy duration is 39 weeks. I shall explain this for any person who is interested in reproductive health, for any person who is interested in understanding obstetrics, okay, to understand why in weeks, a normal duration is 39 weeks. But in months, every Tom and Dick knows that in months, normal pregnancy duration is 9 months. We shall now prove why 9 months is 39 weeks. Because I know that is where a lot of people will find it difficult to understand. I also know that a lot of health personnel believe that 9 months is 40 weeks. I am going to clear this misunderstanding there. Because the Neger's theory is very clear on the duration of pregnancy and how to even calculate it. When I will show you, you will also understand how to calculate and get to 39 weeks. Many think that 9 months is 9 times 4, which is 36 weeks. No, pregnancy age is not calculated like that. Pregnancy age is calculated using obstetric laws, the theory of obstetrics, which was put together by Neger, okay, adopted by World Health Organization, and this is used at any time to calculate the duration of pregnancy. And so when you use that formula presented by this or that theory, 9 months is 39 weeks, and 36 weeks is instead a preterm pregnancy. Any pregnancy that is at 36 weeks is not yet at 9 months, it's at preterm. And if a woman gives birth at 36 weeks, it has given birth prematurely, and in most cases the baby is premature. Now, let us continue with this. How can we prove the Neger's theory? The Neger's theory, this obstetric law states that the age of pregnancy should always be stated in weeks. My dear brothers and sisters, we need to be stating age of pregnancy but in weeks, not in months. Because of this confusion here, some people think that if they say 9 months, it means 9 months, 36 weeks. No, we are saying no. Begin to state it in weeks because it follows the laws of that profession, of that theory, of that science, obstetrics. Neger's theory says that age of pregnancy should always be stated in weeks. and tells you that 1 month of pregnancy is equal to 4 weeks. 2 months is equal to 9 weeks. And 3 months is equal to 13 weeks. This is a theory stated following the principles of pregnancy. You can only use this format to determine the age of pregnancy because this has been proven by the scientists of that domain. Ladies and gentlemen, it is very important for every one of us to take this into consideration. The law is clear here that as far as pregnancy is concerned, 1 month is 4 weeks, just like everyone understands that a month is 4 weeks. But 2 months is 9 weeks, not 8 weeks. 3 months is 13 weeks. And they tell us that within these 3, you can always convert months into weeks. They are not giving us how to convert 4 months. They are not giving us how to convert 5 months and the rest of the months. But they'll tell you that use this scale all the time. Anytime you get months, come to this scale and start from the highest number here. The highest number here on this scale is 3. If 3 cannot go, you drop now to the next, which is 2. If it cannot go before, you drop to the least. Therefore, how do you convert 4 months into weeks? You just come here, take the highest number here is 3. 3 will go into 4 how many times? 1 time. Remember 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. It tells you that 3 months is 13 weeks. But 1 month is 4 weeks. To get 4 months, it's just 13 plus 4. That is why in obstetrics, 4 months of pregnancy is equal to 17 weeks. And 17 comes from 13 weeks plus 4 weeks, which is 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. Now, if a woman's pregnancy is 5 months, how can you convert it into weeks? 5 months. Come to this scale, take the highest number, which is 3. 3 will go into 5 how many times? 1. Remember 2. Okay? Now, 3 months is 13 weeks and 2 months is 9 weeks. For you to get 5 months, just say 13 plus 9, which is 22 weeks. So, what if the woman's pregnancy is 6 months? We will tell you, don't tell us pregnancy is 6 months. We say convert it into weeks. You must know the theory of negative. So you come and take the highest number, there is 3. 3 goes into 6 how many times? 2 times. No remainder. It's just telling you that, say 13 plus 13. That's 26. So 6 months is 26 weeks. Alright? 7 months. Now prove that 7 months is 30 weeks. You will just see that 3, which is the highest here. 3 goes into 7 2 times. Remember 1. 13 plus 13 plus 1. Which is 13 plus 13, 26 plus 4. 30. That's why 7 months of pregnancy is 30 weeks. Now prove that 8 months is 35 weeks. If you are listening to me and watching, quickly pick your pen and then you prove that 8 months of pregnancy is 35 weeks. Yes, of course, it's 35. Because 3 here goes into 8 2 times. Remember 2. So you come here, 3 is 13. Take the 13 2 times. 13 plus 13 is 26. Plus 9. 35. Yes, that is why 8 months of pregnancy is 35. Now, my dear brothers, we have arrived. Have we now proven that 9 months is 39 weeks? This is it according to Nagel's theory. Because 3 will go in 9, 3 times. No, remember, 13 plus 13 plus 13. Is it not 39? It is 39. 39 weeks. Now, there is a standard deviation of plus or minus 2 weeks. If you say 39 plus 2, it goes to 41. If you say 39 minus 2, it comes back to 37. That is why we define term of pregnancy as any pregnancy up to 37 completed weeks and remains at term up to 41 weeks. Just 1 day after 41 weeks, that pregnancy is post-term. Even 1 day before 37, that pregnancy is preterm. Thank you for listening.